Welcome to Activity 14, representing subtraction. In this activity, we will be representing one 2-part bond of 5 using bond blocks in a part-part whole diagram, a written subtraction equation, drawn pictures, and words in a story. I'll begin with the part-part whole diagram. I'm going to choose the 2-part bond of 5 of 4 and 1. So the parts of 4 and 1 bond together to be equal to the whole of 5. When you're placing your blocks, remember to place the whole on the top row and the 2 parts that join together on the second row underneath. When we come to the subtraction equation, we need to remember to say whole subtract part equals part. 5 subtract 4 equals 1. 5 subtract 4 equals 1. When we come to drawing the pictures, we are focusing on the maths. So the pictures that we draw need to match the part of 4, the part of 1, and the whole of 5. We're not focusing on the art side of the drawings. I'm going to begin representing my whole of 5. And I'm going to be drawing children at the beach. So the first thing I'm going to draw is my whole of 5. So there were 5 children at the beach. 4 of them went into the water for a swim. There's my 4. This left 1 of them staying on the beach. So I can check it. I have my whole of 5. I have my part of 4, the children who went in the water, and my part of 1, the child who stayed on the sand. When it comes to writing this story, you don't need to write it. You can tell it to an adult if you'd like. I'll start with my whole of 5. There were 5 children at the beach. At the beach. I'll now write about my 4. 4 went in the water. And then my part of 1. 1 stayed on the sand, on the sand. Now it's your turn.